move it.
Strong boy.
Yeah, people, so the fire just go and blaze up now. I put on the pot soon, fry some plantain, look about some sardine with it tonight, and you guys also want to go on. So, yeah, so just go and chillax now, make the fire go and blaze up look more. When you want the fire too high, you know, see some plantain ripe, and when you want the fire to overheat either. So, we put on the pot right now, throw some oil on it, and you guys also want to go on, yeah? Down there, so we'll finish, take a swim. There's them too big right there. So for now, just go and monitor the pot here and see where they can go on. Alright, so guys, I'm showing my oil right now. Inside the pot. But you make it even. Should say even. 1 stone and kill 4 birds. See that? Slice them up, you know? Right? Make sure you put them up neat, you know? Put them in half. 4. 1 slice that. So we do it, you know? Put in a 3. See the people, pot well hot. Let's put them in. Let me get sick in the pot good. Turn them around. All them get oil. So guys, see me the fire too high. Even though I say if the fire too high, it'll burn. So I'll take out some right now. Some of the fire ready. Let me rest the fire ready. Put some more green one in there right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to sample one right now on our plantain. One thing with the plantain right now, so you kind of turn, it not so ripe, just have to turn, right? So in a stage of ripening. So basically right now, most of them couldn't press because they have a toughness to it. You understand, they're not really that ripe. But anyway, you can eat nice, even though the fire is a bit too high, and it causes a wood fire. You don't have any control over it. So most likely we have fry plantain from wood fire. It's kind of rough. We have to basically have to do is that we have to take out the most of the wood them, draw away the wood them from out of the fire. That means it don't blaze up that much. You understand? Whoa! See that? See that? Haha! Well hot. Well hot, you know? Oh! Yeah! But I'm going to simmer down, you know. You understand? In it. So right now, we are going to clean out the sardine. Make sure so we get out them clean from outside it's all them bone there. Clean them out. So now I do it, make sure so them clean out all the little thing there. Then I normally eat them. Clean out this. So right here so we have some seasoning the same way. We're going to use chop on the sardine. Yes guys, so the pot actually done right now. Sardine finished cook. The plant is the same way. So we're going to eat it now. You understand? Make sure I say it's a good vibes, eh? I laugh. I run. Anyway, alright, so right now we're not on a plate, you know, so what I do right now, onion is gonna eat. Let's eat.
Dog?
Nice, you know. The best things right now. I swear. Best thing, people. Okay guys, the food was delicious, the food was sweet, the food was fantastic. So right here, as you can see behind me right now, there's a rose apple tree. I'm gonna pick some rose apple right now and sample it so you guys can know how it tastes. Cause remember the last video I showed you guys some rose apple, but I didn't get a chance to actually taste one. So I'm gonna taste one right now and make you guys know how exactly it tastes. Okay guys, so these are the rose apple. There's a bunch right there. I'm going to try and lick it off right now. See if we can get some. This is my weapon I'm going to use. Those are the rose apple right up there. That's a bit light. So it's a heavier stick. Go up here and find some right here at low limb. This is one. Alright, sample this one. It's a bit small still. I sample it. It's a sweetish taste. It don't taste like guava. Sweet here. It tastes like guava, but the thing with this that it only have one seed inside. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Only have one seed. Guava has many seeds inside it, so it tastes like guava. Have that sweetish taste. Yeah, definitely, guys, something that you should try. I swear. Guys, as you can see them right now is water. You understand? Make a chuck off right now. I'm showing you guys water and everything. See the people. Water this one. Don't do this and look more deeper still. You understand? Chuck off fine. So test it now, let's see people know what I go on. But you can add still go on cool down first. And you must be just on the fire fight will go. I think cool down as much. So I'll support myself right now. My body temperature kind of cool down before I can chuck off, you understand? This happening is it to cool down. Now we can sample the water, you know? Chuck off and body well cool down now. It's a bit thick. Yeah, water nice. Come on. Cool down same way, you know? there, you know. A river, yeah. Nice little stream. I say just no run some pot. Cool when you know. My idea, what's the best thing to do right now? Is it? So I say people right now, if you don't have nothing to do, just find a riverside, find a chill spot, you understand? And just chillax and all the vibes. Yeah people, so you have come to the end of this little adventure. Hope you guys enjoy this video. You understand? Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You understand? And keep it like. So big up to all the people out there watch the video and subscribe. Until next time, I see you in my next video. Peace out.